Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever thought you might not be using your tape measure to its fullest potential? In today's video, we'll reveal some amazing secrets and tips that you probably didn't know about. So grab your tape measure, and let's start unlocking these secrets together. Attach a pencil to the tape measure. Mark the necessary sizes this way. It's quick and convenient. Take a small neodymium magnet. Attach it to the metal part of the tape measure. Now your tape measure easily sticks to metal objects. Some tape measures have a sharp metal part at the end of the tape. This can be used to make marks on wooden and other soft items. Some tape measures also have a special slot on the metal tip. This slot can be used to hook onto suitable objects. Now we'll show you how to draw geometrically correct circles using the tape measure. As you can see, the circles are quite even. It works well if you don't have special tools for this. Stick adhesive paper tape to the tape measure. Now you can write your measurements directly on the tape measure. There are times when you don't have a partner to help with the measurements. There's a special hole in the tape where you can insert a pin to fix the tape. Attach a pencil to the tape measure with hot glue. This greatly expands the functionality of your tape measure. If you don't have an eraser handy, you can erase marks using the rubber casing of your tape measure. Here we show one of the methods for drawing a straight line using the tape measure. Do not do this. The length of its casing is indicated on the tape measure. In this case, our tape measure indicates 75 millimeters. Simply place the casing of the tape measure against the wall and make a measurement. And add the length of the casing to your measurement. This is much more convenient and accurate. Sometimes it's not very convenient to measure complex objects with a tape measure. Take an ordinary thread. Measure the complex object with the thread. Now measure the length of the thread. Finally, we want to share an idea of what you can do with a broken tape measure. Remove the metal attachment from the tape measure. Attach it to any tool. Now you can conveniently attach it to your belt.